diabetes ba nursing problem statement? Hindi. So first level assessment, family health nursing, uh, first level assessment, we try to determine existence of health conditions, health deficits, foreseeable crisis or stress points, but at that point, you have not reached yet the family nursing problem category. Once you do the second level assessment, that's where you have your family health nursing problem statements. After you determine the family's assumption of the 5 health tasks and whichever health task they cannot perform, that is the nursing problem statement for that particular data set. Clear ba yun? Oh, chaos na naman. No arrow to chaos. Kaya ang answer ay B. Ito kasi first level assessment siya. Nagiging second level assessment. After second level assessment, ito ang mangyayari. At about this time, ito na yung family nursing problem statement. At kung ano man yun, maa-address din yun through this or some other interventions. And they are, as family nursing problem statements, are actually included as part of your typology of family nursing problems in family health nursing practice. Oh. Alam mo, wala akong ginagawa dito. Hindi competent itong hawak ko. At ako din, hindi competent. Stop. Sa taking. So, maliwanag ba yun? Nag-input na ako for review, ha? Pwede ako mag-input kasi nandito si Sir Dennis na alam niya akong mag-input. Otherwise, wala akong K mag-input dyan. Kahit term ko ang family health nursing practice. Abay, pag ayaw niya na, ikaw na lang mamang ayoko na. Mainit na ang ulo sa kanya. Ikaw na lang gumawa. Eh, pipindutin na lang eh. Go over na lang natin lahat siya. Yan. Hindi ko nakakawakan. Promise. Riza did a home visit to determine workable objectives for safe motherhood for Andrea. She observed that the family has modest means. Andrea has 3 younger siblings who were in school at the time of the visit. Her mother regards her pregnancy as a priority concern and has taken a very supportive role in her care in terms of diet and supplements, regular prenatal visits, hygiene and comfort, as well as teaching her what to expect in her pregnancy. May tambong libro, no? Andrea said she religiously complies with all the instructions provided by the health center midwife. She befriended some of the PHWs in the health center, so she will not hesitate to seek help from them regarding her pregnancy. Andrea expressed appreciation for the home visit because it was an opportunity for her to learn more about proper care during pregnancy. Ano ngayon ang family, at ngayon ang health condition or health problem, ang galing. Ito yung wellness diagnosis. Diba yung una kanina doon sa entry ng KAR, identifying wellness states. Ito yung example. Kaya madali, diba? Next slide. Andrea confided Lisa that she is opting for a home delivery because she feels that hospital delivery will drain her parents' resources, considering that she has other siblings who need help. Lisa, however, emphasized that given her condition as a primary gravida and an adolescent, home delivery not be a wise decision. What will be an appropriate goal of care for the above situation? Yan. Ano? Ano? Goal. A. Bakit A? Ay, ba't hindi B? The others are also outcome. Ano? Ma? Kala ko nagre-raise ka na. Hindi. Anong difference ng statement pag-state ng goal at objective?
Goal ang aim.
Tama ang answer A. Bakit hindi B, C, or D? Eh, pues, hanapin niyo yung sagot. To rationalize the answer. That should be easy. Next. Preventive potential as a criterion for setting priorities. Yung example ko, na dapat alam mo kung ano yung definition or what is covered by specific components of your criteria for priority setting. Preventive potential as a criterion for setting priorities among a list of health conditions and or problems in family health nursing practice refers to the A. Probability of success in enhancing the wellness state, improving the condition, minimizing, alleviating, or totally eradicating the problem through specific intervention. B. Probability of preventing the problem. C. Nature and magnitude of future problems which can be minimized or totally prevented if intervention is done to address the condition or problem. D, A, and C. Sino nagsabing A? Sino nagsabing B?
Nahiya silang magtaas ng kamay ko.
Sino nagsabing C? Talagang nahihiya kayo. Kasi akala ko sinabi nyo na nga C. At tamang sagot ay C. Huwag kayong mahiya. May mga ilong naman tayo. Ganda natin at ang gwapo natin. Kaya okay lang yun. So ang answer ay C. Bakit C? Preventive potential is about future problems, not the current problem, if the current problem is preventable or not. We are talking about future problems. So, bakit ko ito binigay na example? Palagi ko nga kinikwento na part din ng hindi maliwanag for quite some even faculty members. Nagde-debate. Kung preventive potential daw, pag communicable disease, mataas daw ang preventive potential nun kasi preventable daw yung communicable disease. So, pag hindi communicable disease, mababa daw ang preventive potential. Not necessarily so, because you are talking about future problems that can be prevented. Okay? Yes, daw, sir. Ayan. Rita's responsibility related